Welcome back to Alleviated.
My name's Lee.
I'm Bree.
Today we're going to teach you how to make our signature drink, the Riverwalk, but fall.
Don't fall in this Riverwalk, y'all. That's how you make the Fall Riverwalk. This drink is already a company favorite, and I know that this spin is definitely going to still be a favorite. I like the spiced rum. I really think it comes through. So why don't you tell us about the drink?
So yeah, I love our spiced rum for this because again, unlike any other spiced rums, it's got more than just vanilla in there. It's got vanilla, cinnamon, secret third ingredient. It also is at that 40% liquor range. So it is actually a full strength liquor. That's why we're able to use this as a base spirit in a drink like this. Basically, I just took our classic Riverwalk, that was a spiced rum, pineapple, lime juice, and ginger ale, and I just subbed out a few things. So I subbed out our pineapple for cranberry. I got the stuff that was real dry. I subbed the lime out for lemon, and then instead of ginger ale, I used this sparkling apple cider here. So it's basically just the same ratios for everything, just changing out what flavors are there, and it's perfect.
I'm a big apple person, so I'm a big fan of this cocktail. You're definitely gonna wanna check out the recipe in the description below. Also, you have to do the garnish that Lee did. It's very, very cute. But definitely check out the recipe in the description below, and also on our website. There's all the cocktails there as well. Come in and see us, and hopefully the background behind us is getting a little bit more familiar to you, because this is the cotton mill where we'll be moving to. So, until we see you next week on Alleviated, cheers.
Cheers.